Welcome to It's a Wow. You're going to see amazing makeup tutorials using contour for face and nose, sparkling eyes, Kylie Cosmetics, Fenty Beauty, Tarte Cosmetics. It's all here and it's a wow. Here we go. Wow, she looks awesome. Love the highlighter and the peach eyeshadow. This next look uses Liquid Lip from Natasha Denona, an award-winning makeup artist well known for her eyeshadow palettes. She's using a lot of Huda Beauty products and it looks absolutely gorgeous. Wait till you see the end. This tutorial uses the Bounce Liquid Whip Longwear Foundation from Beauty Blender. Originally launched in 2007, have since become a staple of makeup artists. The foundation is vegan and cruelty-free. These cocoa-colored gold glitter eyes are so much fun, perfect for a festival. These are the coolest lips ever. Just watch this. This is awesome. It's a wow. Face masks and sheet masks really prep the skin for makeup. They're also good to wear to bed and look so hydrated in the morning. This is Tarte Cosmetics' follow-up to the amazing success of their Shape Tape Concealer. Here's Shape Tape Foundation, and it comes in two formulas, matte or hydrating. Iconic London is such a great brand for the no makeup look, with fresh skin, luminized, ready for the day. It's a wow. Iconic London is well known in the UK for their fabulous illuminators. This is their loose pigment palette with electrifying shimmers. Love this eyeshadow tutorial. It shows you how to do the wet lid look for every day. Just awesome. It's a wow. The YSL Touche Eclat all over brightening pens have been around for ages, and now you can see why. Like a magic wand, they're used to brighten, smooth, and highlight the complexion for a more natural look, and you can build coverage too. Some considered the makeup artist Kevin Aucoin the king of contour. He's sorely missed, but his products definitely live on. Beauty Bakery makes amazing setting powders in the cutest packaging, and they work like a dream to smooth the skin and set makeup. It just shows if you know how to use the right products, you can make your skin look flawless. It's a wow. This Fenty Beauty Fly Liner Longwear Liquid Eyeliner in black is the go-to for a cat eye, with a flexible tip to create the perfect line. Wow, you can become a gold sun goddess any time of the year with this makeup. Just fabulous. Just goes to show, never underestimate purple hair and cool purple eyeshadow. It's a wow, what a combination. You may not know that Japonesque is an over 30-year-old makeup brand, and that all of the cosmetics are for high definition. Her skin looks absolutely flawless. This makeup is perfect for day into night. Wait till you see the finished look. It's a wow.